All right, guys, I am going to go over the pulley system B with you guys and go over the information. You guys have to draw a diagram. Hopefully this information will allow you to understand where you're getting your numbers from in order to calculate IMA, AMA, and the percent efficiency for your Simple Machines Calculations Lab. Okay, this is a test score, so make sure you get all these turned in. You need to draw the diagram in your notebook, and then how many ropes are holding up the load. A little easier to see on this picture. You count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So those are the number of ropes that you have for this. I'm going to make a mark on each one of them so you can see the 5 ropes that are holding. Oops, sorry about that. That is not what I wanted to do. That looks like a mess. So let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are your 5 supporting ropes, and those are the ropes that tell you how much what your what your IMA is. The number of supporting ropes, how many ropes holding up the pulley attached to the weight. The ropes that hold up the weight is your IMA. Your force of your load is the force of the load of the weight plus the other things that we have, and it's the same force for all of the Simple Machines. You saw it on the first one. Keep using that number for the force of your load, and the force of your effort is the force that you see on the scale right here. So you may need to enlarge that to get that number down. You're going to round that off to the nearest pound. Okay, round it off to the nearest pound. So when you're rounding this off here, okay, you can see that the pounds really haven't changed, just the decimal numbers change. So AMA is force of resistance divided by force of effort. Force of resistance is the force of the load, and then efficiency is AMA divided by IMA multiplied by 100. Make sure you pay attention again to the number of how you're supposed to round your answer off to the nearest 10th, 100th, or 1000th place, because that makes a big difference. So good luck on that. Write if you have any questions.